Enrich your showering experience with the Niagara Equate matte black concealed shower set, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This shower set combines style, functionality, and safety, making it an exceptional choice for your bathroom. The matte black finish is visually appealing and adds a touch of timeless elegance to your bathroom decor. The rainfall head provides a calming cascade of water, creating a spa-like atmosphere in the comfort of your own home. The round slide rail kit and handset provide convenience and versatility, and the 1.5 meters length hose ensures that you can reach every part of your body for a thorough cleanse. Safety is a top priority, which is why the triple concealed shower valve features a thermostatic cartridge that shuts off in case of a cold water supply failure, preventing accidents. The adjustable temperature control ensures that you have a comfortable and consistent showering experience every time. Upgrade your bathroom with the Niagara Equate matte black concealed shower and immerse yourself in luxury, functionality, and safety like never before. This shower offers the perfect combination of style, reliability, and safety, providing an unparalleled showering experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated every day. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.